In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create text notifications in Acuity Scheduling. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into acuityscheduling.com. From in there, you can see this option. We need to click onto this Get Started right here in order to create an account. Or if you already have one, proceed to click onto this Login option that we can find into this part. So let's proceed to login. Here is my account right here. Let's head over to the home page first. Once you're in there, next thing you need to do is just navigate to the client messages option. You can find it under the emails and text right here. Under that, you can see this client text messages. So click onto this right here. Into this part, we just need to make sure that this one has been enabled. As you can see right now, it's turned off. So let's head over and turn it on. So you can click onto the three dots and you can duplicate this, or you can also have the option to add a new reminder. If it's turned off, let's head over and turn it on right here by going to this. Make sure to enable sending appointment notifications. And you can send summary details weekly or daily. Now for the text messages option, you can proceed to add that. Click on edit option right here. And then choose right here your current plan. And if you have a plan higher than the starter plan, it can be standard, premium, or enterprise. You can head over and subscribe to that plan. Now, into that plan, you can actually enable or turn on the reminder, change its name, the send reminder formats, as well as appointment types for the text messages for that particular person right here. So you can change it according to your liking as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.